All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our malaria confusion matrix module. But before we dive into that, you can see here we have two new generated images. I do have to work on some of the aspects of the images. I try to introduce some new elements. As you can see, we have dragons now. They did come out a little distorted. This one here has two heads for some reason. I don't know why, and it's missing a wing. I should have been more specific with the prompts. But yeah, the images of the actual dragon rider is still pretty good. I don't see any flaws here. Everything did pretty come out pretty clear with that in both images. I'm waiting for the first image to pop back up so I can show you that one also. Yeah. So we have a dragon rider riding on a dragon, flying through the sky over supposed to be a ruined city or burned city. You see a little fire back here, but we'll work on that as the prompts get better. I'm pretty sure the images and the scenery will get better also. I'm waiting for the next photo to actually pop up. This one here. This one came out pretty good. The dragon does seem a little bit small to support the weight of a full-grown rider, but yeah, the actual rider is still pretty clear. No distortions. One head, two wings. That still came out good. So yeah, only thing I'll have to work on this one is the actual size of the dragon, but other than that, everything came out pretty well. Now let's get to our confusion matrix module where we did run into a hiccup here. So I am throwing an error. I think I know what happened. I'm not entirely sure all the way, but I think it's because I had commented out this section. Well, not that part. One second. I had commented out this piece here earlier to run a different piece of code, and it threw an error. So I uncommented it out now, and I'm going to attempt to run it again once I start recording to see if everything gets back to normal. But if not, then we'll have to do some debugging. But it shouldn't be that much. It shouldn't be that hard of an issue because everything was running fine up until this point. So it's telling me that it is somewhere around this area here. Like I said, I commented this part out to try to run something else and ran into this error here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to take the afternoon to do. See what's actually going on with this and debug it. And then yeah, I'll finish playing around with the prompts and hopefully we can come up with some better prompts or generated images tomorrow for you guys. But yep, of course I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.